The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Box Elder County in northern Utah, northwestern Tooele County in northern Utah, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing gusty outflow winds were located roughly along a line from 10 miles northeast of Wendover to 15 miles northeast of Ibapaw. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Utah Test and Training Range South, Knowles, Utah Test and Training Range North, Clive, and Bonneville Salt Flats. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 9 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Gusty winds may lead to hazardous travel for high-profile vehicles along I-80 between mile markers 9 and 54. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Tooele.